Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and S4HANA tutorials. So now let's get into today's video. So today we have come up with another good job opening from TCS for batch 2020, 21 and 22 for BCA and BSc candidates. And in our previous video, I have discussed about one more job opening for batch 2020 and 21 for all BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc candidates. So if you have missed it to watch that video, please do check it out in our channel, and I'll also mention the link in the description. So now let's see what will be the eligibility for this job opening. Here as you can see, the registration end date is 2nd November and test date is 19th November, and interview date they're going to announce once your test is cleared. So apply it as soon as possible if you're matching up with this eligibility criteria, because I could see a lot of network traffic for this. So if you can think that you can apply it just before the deadline, that will not work because the server might get down and it will not allow you to apply. So just apply it right away. So when it comes to eligibility, all BCA and BSc Maths, Statistics, Physics, Chemistry, Electronics, Biochemistry, Computer Science, IT and BOC in CS or IT from year of passing 2020, 21 and 22 are eligible to apply this. And also added advantage is that if you're going to perform exceptionally during your interview process, you'll be part of TCS Unique Science to Software program. So that is an added advantage from TCS this time. And now let's see what will be the application process. Step 1 is that log on to TCS next step portal here, and step 2 you have to register and apply. And scenario A, like if you are a registered user, you can just log in and proceed to complete the application form, and upon submission you can just click on apply for drive. And if you are a new user, click on register now and choose category as IT, then submit your application and then click on apply for drive. So once you've clicked on apply for drive, it should reflect as applied for drive. And just be careful while selecting your mode of test, whether it is in center or remote, because once selected it cannot be changed later. Like after once you submitted the application, it cannot be changed. So just be careful while filling your mode of test. Also here they're given some important note, like you should be available with all your academic documents, and communication related to the test will be shared you by TCS Ion. So just be careful while filling your in center or remote test mode. And it doesn't send job offers from unofficial email IDs like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail. It will be sending you mails through its official mail ID at the rate of tcs.com. And it doesn't ask candidates to deposit any money for job offers. Also, it is not associated with any external agency. TCS itself is directly hiring. So just be careful. And in case of any assistance needed, you can just reach out to this email ID ilp.support@tcs.com, and you can also call on this helpline number 1800-209-3111. And also I want to show you this test eligibility test pattern on frequently asked questions, but due to a lot of network traffic for this page, it is not allowing me to click on these links. So maybe later on, once this network traffic slows down, you can check it. So now let's see how you're going to apply for this. Click on register now. It will be redirected to some other page. Click on desktop site. Click on campus commune, take me there. So if you're a registered candidate, just give your email ID and password and then log in. But if you're a new candidate, register here. And here we have two categories, IT and BPS. click on IT. So it is redirected to some other page where you have to give all your personal details like name, date of birth, gender, email ID, mobile number, institute name, qualification, year of passing, test location. Your preferred test location can be given here, and you can just click on submit. So upon submission, it will ask you to apply for drive. So if you just click on apply for drive, you will get confirmation as applied for drive. So that is how you have to apply for this job. So apply it right away, because only few days is left to 2nd November. Also, as I said earlier, check for one more job opening from TCS for BTech and MTech and MCA and MSc students, like for 2020 and 21 passed outs. And also you can refer to other coding and non-coding jobs in our channel. So please do check it out. And if you find this video informative, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and S4HANA tutorials. Thank you.